Hi everybody, this is Henrik from Carpet Pro Cleaning. I would like to show you very satisfying removal of heavy stains. Right after thoroughly vacuuming, I have used Enzyme Pre-Spray from World of Clean. Then agitate and extract with hot water extraction. It looks amazing. Customer was very pleased as didn't expect that it could come out so good. Please like my video and call me today for free no obligation quote.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on